Hey everyone, Brandon here, hope you're doing well. So today we are going to do our first part of the install for our car mount. I have the little hockey puck or disc that we're supposed to place first for our dashboard. And what I'm going to do first is wipe it down with an alcohol wipe. So I'm going to do that with this real quick. So there we go. We're gonna let that completely dry, and after it completely dries, we're gonna take our disc, we're gonna take it out of the pack, we're going to put it on the dashboard, we're gonna press down firmly for 30 to 60 seconds, and then we're gonna leave this puck here for 24 hours. After the 24 hours, we're going to finish our install, which is pretty much putting the suction cup on the pad, and we'll be ready to rock and roll. So I'm gonna do this part right now. The disc is ready to go. We're gonna put it in our spot that I choose, which is right there. Luckily the car is pretty warm, help it adhere a little better. Anyways guys, that's it for this. I'll be back in about 24 hours. Hey everyone, so it's been 24 hours since we put our disc on our dash. So there is a little dust. We're just gonna take a napkin, just try to get as much as we can off, and that's probably about as good as it's gonna get. We're gonna take our suction, make sure the lever is off, and it is. Peel back this plastic, put it in position right about there. Press really nice and hard on the tab in the back, push down on it, and it should be locked into place, which it is, so we're good to go. And then I'm gonna put my nut on. I'm gonna take the car mount phone holder, pop it in, tighten the nut up just enough, but not all the way. Get it into position where you're gonna have it. So for me, maybe a little further back, something like that works for me. That way I can quickly just bam bam if I need to do anything up here, and tighten all the way, make sure it's at the right angle. And it's on there really secure. Take my good old phone, pop it in, and we're done. That is the mount, the Hummixx car mount. Very, very nice. I like it. Nice, sturdy. We're gonna take it for some test runs, but it's on there really secure, and I don't see any issues at all with it. So again, if you want to release your phone, just press on the button and take it off, and don't forget that this bottom part is adjustable as well. So anyways guys, that's it for this video. Hope you enjoyed. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, comment. I'll see you in the next one. Take it easy and have a good day.